I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your TCL model and software version so the steps match your interface. Open Settings and check System Info. Once done, make sure your remote is paired and has fresh batteries so inputs register. Next, enable Game Mode in Settings to optimize performance. This often reveals or enables the Game Bar feature. These prerequisites ensure the TV responds and that the Game Bar will function correctly when you try to open it. With prerequisites set, use the remote to open the Game Bar. Press the dedicated Game Bar or Options button once and wait for the overlay. If your remote lacks a Game Bar key, hold Home or the Input button for 2 to 3 seconds to trigger advanced menus. Then navigate with the arrow keys to the Game Bar entry and press OK to open it. Make sure to move slowly between menus so the TV can load the overlay without timing out or skipping steps. Now configure the Game Bar options like FPS display, latency overlay, and HDR toggles. Adjust each to your preference so you can measure performance while playing. Once set, save changes and test using a game to confirm overlays appear and inputs are responsive. If the Game Bar fails to open, reboot the TV first, then check for a firmware update. If that fails, repair the remote or reset settings. These steps fix most issues and get you back.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.